Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Schlage Lever Lock. This is actually pretty simple. I removed the back just to speed it up because we need access to the battery. So what we're going to do is you're going to disconnect the battery, press the Schlage button on the front, reconnect the battery, then quickly hold the Schlage button for a few seconds until you hear a beep. Once you hear that beep, that means it's factory reset. So you know what? Let's do this now. Disconnect the battery. Press the button. Okay, reconnect the battery. And press and hold. And there you guys have it. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.